me? Why does the rain fall on me? Here am I trying to see through the rain that falls on me. Why do the clouds follow me? Why do the clouds follow me? How can I be cloud free when a cloud follows me? Why are we always running in the rain, trying to find our way through? Whatever we do, it always ends the same. It'll be raining on you. Go rain, slow rain. Go rain, slow rain. Why does love in water flow? Why does love in water flow? In time, I'd like to know, where did the water go? Slow rain, go rain, slow rain. Why does the sun not break through? Why does the sun not break through? How can gray be so blue when the sun's not broken through? Why does the rain fall on me? Why does the rain fall on me? Here am I trying to see through the rain that falls on me.